Acting Workshop, Warsaw. Scott Trost, Director of the Meisner Institute, coming to Warsaw May 31st, June 1st. Intensive workshop on acting. Let's get honest here. What's the one thing you need in your acting to take you to the next level? That's your heart. You got to be willing to share your heart with other people in order to become a great actor. That's what it's taken me 25 years to learn. And I want to teach that to you. I want to teach you how to give your heart away over and over again so that your audience will love you, will love your performance, will love the humanity you bring, the truth you bring to your performance. So May 31st, June 1st, join me in Warsaw. Let's do it together. Let's find our way. Let's level up. Let's take us to the place we know we can go. I'll be there for you.